if I was leading any of your organisations, I would be trying to find ways of trusting you, giving you that toolbox, and then trusting you to use the toolbox well. So PMP is, in fact, loads of tools, right? It's got loads of things in there, loads of documents, loads of approaches, loads of things in there. But it's not the only source of your toolkit, right? Your toolkit needs to have facilitation techniques. It needs to have, relationships. It needs to have ways of dealing with people. It needs to have delegation. It needs to have motivating your team. It needs to be a proper toolbox of all the things that you need to manage a project. And particularly as I look around this room, everybody in this room, you're all intelligent, capable people. For me, if I was leading any of your organisations, I would be trying to find ways of trusting you, giving you that toolbox, and then trusting you to use the toolbox well, supporting you, coaching you, guiding you to use that toolbox. Now that's not to say that you don't need some structure, right? And no project is delivered in a vacuum. There are going to be the risk people are going to need sign off, the IT security. There are going to be things that you have to follow. And going against the grain is just not worth it. So depending on what organisation, what kind of organisation you're in, you're going to need to tailor your approach to the project to deliver within that organisation.